Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Again, um, the disclaimer is simple and we're not a financial institution. We're not financial advisors and that's it. Let's go to it. So the topic today is make money with ChatGPT. Use artificial intelligence to make money. So we ask you kindly to stay to the end because there is a hook, there is a call to action in this video, and the target is to give you a little bit of tokens. We give you 40,000 hedge tokens. Stay to the end and I'll tell you what's all about. First, how do we make money with this? And the point is, we love to short some stocks. We love to short some crypto or commodities. Whenever it's something in a panicky mode, we short it. So just to give you an example, we use ChatGPT to go directly to our website. Instead of registering on ChatGPT, you can go on HEJJ.ai and you have in here a small prompt which is linked to ChatGPT. So go in there and ask anything. A simple question: birthday of Elon Musk, and boom, ChatGPT gives me the answer. He's born on June 28, 1971. That's an example. So again, our website, hedge4.ai. Ask anything, but ask intelligent questions. Ask, how do we make money? ChatGPT on steroids. Better than ChatGPT, it's Perplexity, okay? And we go in here, and the point is this. Palantir, it's our competitor. They do data analytics, okay? So they analyze a lot of data, but Perplexity just killed them. I'm telling you. So I'm expecting, because they are listed on NASDAQ, I'm expecting their stock to keep on going down, okay? So as a confirmation, I do my research, okay? But the point is this: why did Palantir stock go down? That's a question on Perplexity. Again, use Perplexity because it's a ChatGPT on steroids. It's a lot better than GPT-3. Okay, and it tells me that it's slowing the revenue. The management is shaken up. Okay, investors are running away because as of February 24th, the stock is still down from its heights. So again, they are going down. Wolf Research downgraded Palantir, and other entities and analysts, they're saying that it will go down. And I'm expecting this just because a lot of contractors like Pentagon will not give them so many contracts. So their revenue will go down. So how do I do it? This information, how do I squeeze it? Okay, how do I make money out of it? I go in here and have a look. Palantir closed yesterday at $8.17. Okay, and it will open another 5 cents down, probably. Okay, and I see in here 5-day chart, and it shows me that from $10 it went to $8 roughly, right? Okay. The point is, how do I accelerate this thingy? Okay, I go in here, Palantir, boom, I go on options. I just clicked on options. Remember, use option contracts, use puts. And in here, I want to go to June 16th. Okay, it will give me, these are calls. That's a bet that it will go up. No, I'm interested in puts, okay? So I go in here, puts, and my target is like this. Palantir on June 7 put, it's 56 cents. I bought the other week at 60, and I'm doubling down. I'll buy some more at 56 just because I'm expecting the stock to go lower. All right, so I will buy more contracts at 56 cents. If by June this goes to, let's say, goes to $5, I'm quadruple my money. So analyze it and act accordingly. Okay. And now this is the hook, and this is the presentation about our website. So again, visit our website. It's www.hedge4.ai. Okay. We ask you kindly to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We ask you to retweet because we tweet and we put in there on Twitter a lot of other videos. Okay. Retweet them, please. And come to Telegram and collect 40,000 hedge coins. Send the wallet address in there, contact our administrators or me personally, and I'll send to your wallet 40,000 hedge tokens. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.